Happy Monday, traders! The dust hasn't even settled from Friday's 361-point nosedive, and Globex just added 90 points more to the downside. The market is sending us a message. Are you listening? No high impact news today, but after last week's carnage, you don't need headlines to expect volatility. Friday opened with a 100-point gap down, and that was just the start. Sellers steamrolled through 5,300 and 5,250 like they weren't even there. Today, Globex followed up with another 90-point sell-off. Momentum is still red hot, just not in the bull's favor. Okay, my beautiful people, on the 10-day volume profile, we are trading way below value now, inside the no man's land between December and November's 2023 POC. An elongated profile, weak bids, and a vacuum of liquidity. On the weekly structure chart, we have gapped below the yearly low 5014 and are now heading to November's low 4556. The new weekly value area is established 706 points lower on average than last week. On the 2-hour delta chart, we see that passive buyers did try and hold the line near 5,300 to 5,250, but they got totally obliterated. We'll keep tracking buy attempts between the gaps, but sellers are clearly in control for the moment. On the New York TPO, we see that Friday gave us a full range extension with a dense volume node forming below 5,111.50 value area low. We will watch for attempts to re-enter that zone. We have a more balanced profile on the hourly with a high volume node at the lows. All open interest and strike prices clustered above the gap, far above the current Globex open, so we expect wild swings. So for today, my line in the sand will be the high volume node 4,860. I will open my longs at 4,865, targeting 4,902, 4,935, and at last 5,000. I will be bearish at 4,855, targeting 4,820, 4,790, and 4,755. Guys, I shouldn't need to repeat this, but if you're not respecting this downtrend, the market will humble you. Manage your risk and don't fight the flow. So, like, subscribe for tomorrow's updated game plan, and check the description if you want access to the daily breakdowns before the bell. Stay sharp, protect your capital.